what is Canva? So Canva is an online design tool that enables you to easily create beautiful and engaging designs with thousands of templates. So usually po kasi ang problema natin, kunwari ako sasabihin ko, hindi ako masyadong creative, hindi ko kayang mag-design ng, alam mo yun, ng infographics or presentations or anything pang-post sa social media. But with Canva, we have thousands of templates for you to choose from para hindi nyo na po problemahin yung design-wise, i-edit nyo na lang. Okay. The usual way of creating a good design before Canva is actually medyo, ayan, matrabaho siya. From purchasing the software na gagamitin nyo up to preparing it for posting it on the web or printing it. But with Canva, we made it simple and integrated. So, na-cut down yung maraming steps. And now, it's all in Canva. So, all the elements that you would need, all the fonts that you would need, even the design, i-edit nyo na lang ng konti yung text. And then, it's ready to be published anywhere in the world. Maging printed man yan, or a presentation, or for social media. Ayan. So, yay, Canva! Ayan. Canva's goal really is to empower the world to design. Before Canva, we know that it was hard for everyone to, and medyo expensive din po, to find someone to create graphics for you. So us, we believe that everyone can design, and that's through Canva. But we're stepping it one notch. Other than empowering everyone, we also want to empower every classroom, every teacher, every student to design, especially with the new norm. Okay, part of that, empowering every classroom teacher and student to design is really integrating our values. So sa Canva po, wala kaming guidelines or rules or mga ganyan. Meron kaming 6 values na sinusunod. And this is what we incorporate in everything that we do in Canva, in and outside of Canva. And so, us reaching out to teachers and why are we investing in education is really because it aligns most with the core value namin to be a force for good. Yun din po aking t-shirt today. So I really want to be a force for good and just help you guys. And so then, may gift kami sa inyo, K-12 teachers, even actually i-slash natin yan, pwede ring ALS and SPED, educators, librarians, school personnel, pwede din po in the Philippines and worldwide. And this is our gift, Canva for Education. Yay! May pa-confetti. To learn more of Canva for Education, please go to canva.com/education. But what it really is it's a premium version of Canva. So, Canva Pro siya. It's a creativity tool for every classroom. And ang magandang balita po, if you do apply and you are an educator, it is 100% free for you now, tomorrow, and forever. Basta mag-apply lang po kayo. Okay, dadaanan ko yung features and dadaanan ko yung FAQs in a little bit. Inom lang po ako ng tubig, medyo bumabara na. Excuse me. Okay. So yun. Canva for Education, yay! Alright, so let's talk about it a little bit. Yun. The goal really is we want to empower every teachers and schools in the Philippines, and that's why we're giving it for free. Yun talaga po yung suporta namin sa inyo. Okay. So, what is Canva for Education? So, a lot of you guys are already using Canva for free sa personal accounts ninyo. Ano ba yung difference niya sa Canva for Education? So, just a quick look at it. You would see na parang, okay, ito yung free on the left side and there's, you know, a number of free features for you to enjoy. So, makakagawa kayo. But for Canva for Education, hindi lang po siya doble, hindi lang siya triple. It's like times 100 dun sa free accounts niyo. You will get over 60,000 beautifully crafted templates to inspire para hindi nyo naiisipin yung design-wise. Isipin nyo na lang yung content-wise nung gagawin niyo. You also get free unlimited content. So, kung nagka-Canva na po kayo, meron kaming libraries of elements, photos, and templates. And usually yan, pag naka-free account kayo, you would see meron tayong mga premium elements and photos na kailangan bayaran. But if you do apply for Canva for Education, free na po yan sa inyo for your usage, for your worksheets, for everything that you need to do. Ang daming libre, di ba? You also get, puro free, you also get 700 plus free premium fonts to unleash your creativity. And very, very proud po kami this year, well, late last year, we started adding Filipino-made fonts. So if makikita nyo, meron kaming Quiapo. Yan yung mga jeepney fonts natin, ganyan, alam natin yan. Meron kaming Cubao, so yan yung mga nasa buses, ganyan. Meron din bagong Kundiman. Proud na proud po kami na meron din tayong baybayin fonts. And soon, I think, in a few weeks, we're gonna put out a how-to video on how to write in baybayin using Canva. So that's really exciting, and it's all free if you apply for Canva for Education. You'll also have all new collaboration space for the whole class to design together or your co-teachers. So if you're using Google Docs, it's the same idea where you put a comment on, say, a certain element or somewhere in the design, and you leave it and you tag your student or your co-teacher to see it. Ganyan. Ayan. So very digital na tayo. You'll also have a lot of folders to manage your content and keep track of progresses. So if medyo organized kayo, pwede nyong ilagay sa folders, ganyan. Ako medyo hindi ako organized masyado. And most of all, I'm happy to announce that we are COPA and FERPA compliant. So sa mga teachers and parents, meron po kayong peace of mind na safe po ang Canva for Education. If you do add your students and kids, it's safe for those 13 years old and below. Ayan. Okay, so frequently asked questions about Canva for Education. Let's start it. These questions actually we got from the Canva for Filipino Teachers community that we have on Facebook. And so we're gonna address it. All right. First question. Pwede ba ako mag-apply sa Canva for Education? Am I eligible for it? Ganyan. So ang straight up answer po, if you are a K-12 teacher, yes, you are. If you are, say, a college professor, basta teacher po kayo, yes, you are. We also welcome school personnel, librarians, administrators, and many more. As long as in the application process, you would provide IDs lang or proof of your employment sa school. Yan. Alright. Ayan. So, take note nyo po yan. Gusto nyo i-screenshot, sulat, yan. Okay, next question. How can I sign up for Canva for Education? Okay, so a lot of our viewers right now are teachers. If you have a school or DepEd email domain, meaning yung .edu.ph yung end nung email address nyo, or deped.gov.ph or ph.education, if you go to, ayan, nakabold po, canva.com/edu-sign-up, if you go to that, we have already whitelisted email domains using school and DepEd domains. So if you apply through there, automatic mag-grant po ang inyong Canva for Education, at automatic pag ni-refresh nyo, magagamit nyo na yung premium features na libre po sa inyo. Now, marami nagtatanong, what if yung school niyo doesn't have a school email domain or a DepEd email domain? It's okay as long as you are an educator. For personal email addresses, meaning Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, kung ano pa mga email domains natin. If you have that kind of email address, just set up a free Canva account first, and then go to bit.ly/canvaph-educ to sign up. This usually takes a little bit longer, pero ma-approve din po kayo. Okay, so screenshot, take down the notes. I believe our team is already commenting and copying the links dyan sa ating comment section. So if you just want to click on that, ayan po. Okay. So I submitted my application. What's next? Like I said earlier, for school and DepEd email domains, it should be automatically upgraded kasi naka-whitelist na po kayo. For personal email addresses, please allow a week for the application process. What we've learned dun sa last seminar namin, ang dami nyo po pala. And we all want to grant your applications. But at the same time, syempre kailangan dumaan sa proseso. So please give us at least a week to just take care of all your applications. Nonetheless, I promise it will be granted and we will send you an email as soon as we can. Okay. Next, okay, ito na yung mga may account. So, ang laging tanong, is my account upgraded yet? So, if you want to check if your account has been upgraded, this is best to be done on your desktop or your laptop. So, go to your Canva account, click on your profile icon, go to account settings, billing and teams, and then your subscription should indicate Canva for Education tulad nito pong naka-encircle under subscription. So it should say Canva for Education. If it doesn't say Canva for Education, hindi pa po kayo upgraded. Ganyan. Minsan may mga naka-upgrade na sarili nila, it should say Canva Pro. So yon. So if it's not Canva for Education, hindi pa po yan, I suggest that you apply. Alright. Mahalaga yan. Ayan. Susunod na tanong, napakabenta po nito sa community natin. Why does my account say next bill on? Kasi po, dun, under subscriptions, you would see yung next bill and then a date. So automatically, we think na mag-e-expire na yung subscription ninyo o ma-charge kayo, ganyan. Hindi po, yun, it's for free today, it's free tomorrow, it's free forever as long as upgraded na kayo. Canva for Education, so yung cycle niya refreshes every month. So, yung next bill po na yun is yung actual date kung kailan mare-refresh yung cycle ninyo. It doesn't mean na due date siya para magbayad kayo. Wala po kaming gano'n. It doesn't also mean na expiration date siya because it's free forever for you. Ganyan. At higit sa lahat yun, I will just expound on this. You will not get charged for premium access. If you do get charged for premium access, please let us know agad on our social media pages para matulungan namin kayong i-refund. But it shouldn't happen. Okay. Next is, so dahil nga po, may mga natataranta na merong next bill on and then they'll see the date, what they usually do is click on cancel subscription. Once you cancel the subscription, you will see undo cancellation. However, due to system, medyo inaayos po namin yung system, when you undo it, hindi naman po talaga siya na-undo. So what you can do is you can send us a DM via our Facebook page and we can revert it for you. Okay. Actually, /.dm, meron pa pala akong isang slide. It would be much better if you can send us an email via canva-educ-philippines @canva.com so we can revert it for you. And if you have any questions, please do send us an email here. Ayan, screenshot nyo na, take down notes nyo na po. Ayan. And we'll be happy to answer any questions or troubleshoot any problems you might have with Canva for Education. We have a team ready to respond to you 24/7. Yan. Canva-educ-philippines @canva.com. Okay. Okay. If you have more questions, ayan, same email address. Please screenshot, send us an email any time of the day. We'll respond to you as soon as we can. Alright, so that's all our FAQs. Alam ko marami pa po kayong mga tanong and you want to talk to us and other teachers using Canva. I highly recommend that you join our exclusive teachers community. It's Canva for Filipino Teachers on Facebook. You can just search for it. As of the moment, we have almost 12,000 Filipino teachers in the community, and we've been sharing a lot of yung mga gawa namin, yung mga designs, usually ang mga sinashare lately, yung mga enrollment graphics and infographics, ganyan. So you'll get a lot of inspiration from there and you can talk to us and other teachers that are using Canva. So Canva for Filipino Teachers on Facebook, please do join. It's so fun. And we have a lot of games and giveaways. Yan. All right. And so also follow us on social media. It's Canva on Facebook, Canva_PH on Twitter and Instagram. Please do follow us. Maganda po ang aming mga content. It's very relatable to everything that's happening in the Philippines every day. Ganyan. All right. And then please use the hashtags. Yeah.